Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a little chatty get ready with me, and I am so excited to do this because I love watching these kinds of videos, and I love watching them like while I'm getting ready, like while I'm getting my makeup ready. So if you also want to do that and do your makeup with me, I just think it's just there's a healing transaction that takes place. I have a little LaCroix here, so I'm ready to talk. There's some things I need to talk about, some things that we need to talk about. I've got my little makeup station over here. So let's just get right into it. So I already did put my moisturizer on. I'm using the Welleda Skin Food moisturizer. If you have dry skin, this is a godsend. It's amazing. But first of all, can we talk about my shirt? Can we just talk about my shirt? I got this shirt yesterday and it's giving spring, it's giving bright, it's giving the winter is over, and I am just obsessed with it. It's like a linen shirt, it's like really long. And I just love this shirt, and honestly, I am ready for winter to be over. I'm so ready for winter to be over. Where I live, winter is dark, cold, harsh, never see the sun, extreme temperatures, sad and depressing. So it's March 1st. Round of applause for March 1st. And I'm so excited for spring to be coming because I'm about to pop off in my fits. My fits are about to be brighter than the sun. And you guys, the world just isn't ready for it, okay? It's not ready. So let's start doing my makeup. I'm gonna start with the Glossier Stretch Concealer. I'm in the shade G6. And honestly, I've just been like putting this all over my face and using it as foundation. My period just ended. It almost took me out. So I've got like a lot of blemishes going on at the moment. So we're just gonna really cover everything right on up. I'm interested, what kind of foundations are you guys using right now? Because I wanna get a new one. But like, I don't know which one I should get. I kinda wanna try the new Kosas one. But then I also want to get like the NARS tinted moisturizer. I'm leaning more towards, I usually lean more towards tinted moisturizers just because like, I just think that those work better for my face. Like I usually don't like super heavy foundations on the face. But if you guys have any good recommendations for like lightweight foundations, or your favorite tinted moisturizers, just let me know, because I would love to get some recs. Yeah. So we're just gonna blend that in, and I'm sure most of you guys know, but Rihanna is pregnant. Rihanna is pregnant. Our queen is pregnant, and I am just over the moon about it. Like, I just love Rihanna because she is just like, she is just the epitome of like doing your own thing in your own time, not caring about what anybody says or thinks, not being pressured by society, just doing what is right for you in your own time. And I just really love that because, you know, the girls were really pressuring her to put out new music, and she said, nah, y'all gonna get this beauty brand. And the Lord knows we needed Fenty, okay? Fenty has changed the beauty game. And I'm sure people were like, why are you making a beauty brand? Like, you're a singer, like, what are you doing? And she said, you don't know me, you don't know what I can do. You don't know what I've got going on inside of this here brain of mine. And she just did what was on her heart, and look what happened, okay? Look what happened. And I think she's like 33, I believe. And I'm sure she got so much pressure from like her friends or family. I mean, I don't know her. But Just like when you get into your 30s, all this pressure, or your late 20s, all this pressure is like, oh, you need to have a kid, you need to get married. And she said, nah, not with the wrong man, not with the wrong man. And now she's pregnant and she popped off in that bright pink jacket, and her and ASAP, oh my God, her and ASAP are just so cute, and honestly, I'm just here for it. And I don't know, she just really inspires me to just do life at my pace, the pace that was planned for me, the pace that is right for me, and to not be so consumed with like what other people are doing, how fast other people are moving, hustling, all that. Can we talk about hustling for a second? I think hustle culture is toxic. Unpopular opinion maybe, but I just feel like what's going on here? I just feel like we live in a society that promotes not getting rest, and that's not healthy. Like, that's not healthy. Even just on like a just borderline, like just facts, we know that you have to sleep in order to make good decisions, in order to have clear thoughts, in order to function properly in life. You have to sleep. So why are we promoting no sleep? No sleep, man. No, I wake up at 1 a.m. and I go until 1 a.m. again. Like, are you kidding me? Like, I'm sorry. I'm not falling for that. And I hope that you don't either. I think there's a time and place to be, I think what we should be pushing is being disciplined with the time that you have while you're awake. How about we do that? How about we not waste the time that we have while we're conscious? How about we be disciplined with the time that we have while we're awake? Can we just do that instead of promoting like staying up until 3 a.m. and then waking up an hour later? Because like, honey, sis, if you're getting 4 hours of sleep every night, I already know your quality of life probably isn't great. So all I know is I'm getting my 8 hours, okay? Praise God, I'm getting my 8 hours. I don't know about you, but that's what I'll be doing. And I just think we just need to get a new, this is not getting covered. We just need, I don't know. I just think we should promote being disciplined over hustling and like driving yourself into the ground. Because the thing is, discipline isn't a sexy word. You won't talk about people being disciplined because it doesn't promote, I don't know, it's not culturally what the people want to hear, being disciplined. Like if someone says, what you're up to? Oh, I'm just being disciplined. They're like, cool, man. But if somebody asks you, oh, what you're up to? And you're like, hustling, they're like, there you go. And I'm just like, where did that come? What are we doing here? No, what are we doing here? So I'm just, if you are burnt out right now, I'm using the Milk Makeup Cream Blush. If you're burnt out right now because you're hustling and you're not getting enough sleep, maybe this is the sign that you need to go to sleep, sis. Go to sleep, bro. Get you some rest and maybe just set up a plan for yourself to be more disciplined with your time. Because we need sleep, man. We're never gonna be in a world where we don't need sleep. Okay? We need sleep. Anywho, I'm gonna do my brows next. I'm excited for my channel to be like a community and to have like a community of people where we can just be honest with each other and just transparent and just share what's on our heart, and we don't have to be fake, we don't have to pretend. And I don't want this channel to be me pretending that I'm perfect or that I have everything together, because that's not realistic and that's not relatable, and I wouldn't subscribe to somebody who tries to make it seem like they have everything together. So I'm coming on here to say that I've gained weight. I have gained weight this winter. I have probably 10 pounds. A good 10 pounds I have gained weight, and it happens every winter. Every winter this happens because in the summertime, like I'm always out. I love going to the park. I love going running. I'm always walking somebody's dog. I'm at the park doing like workouts, and I just, in the summer, like I'm a summer baby. I thrive in the summer. So it typically, like I weigh less in the summer because I'm always out doing something. And I live in a climate where we have like really long, dark, harsh winters. And in the winter, I'll be honest, the last thing I wanna do is go running outside when it's 20 degrees. The last thing I wanna do is go walk somebody's dog when it's 20 degrees. The last thing I wanna do is even be outside when the sun is not out. So typically I'm in my house more. I don't have motivation to work out in my house. I don't like working out in my house. And since the pandemic, like I haven't gone to a gym. Like I don't go to the gym anymore. I just go work out like outside. So it makes sense that in the winter time, I gain weight. I'm a little bit sadder in the winter. You know, I don't see the sun where I live. Like we don't see the sun for weeks at a time. And I don't think that's good. I think that's terrible, but I'm just coming on here to say that if you've gained weight too this winter, it's okay. It is okay. Do not beat yourself up. You are still worthy. You are still of value. You still matter. Weight is weight. Weight will fluctuate our entire lives. And I think I've gotten to the place in my life where I've really accepted myself, and I've really I think, you know, it's taken me a long time. Long time. But I truly love myself for who I am, like who my spirit is, like who I was made to be is who I love myself for, and not for what I look like or how much I weigh or what I'm wearing or how clear my skin is. Now, I just wanted to talk about that because I feel like today's culture, it's like we're always talking about losing weight. No one's really talking about gaining weight. And I just wanted to be transparent with you guys. Watched a YouTube video and the girl talked about how she also had gained weight over the last few months. And it was just like, I don't know, it was just really good to hear. It was really comforting to hear because like I was going through the same thing at the time, and you know, it's never like, woohoo, like I gained 10 pounds, woohoo, my pants don't fit, woohoo. Like, I'm not saying that like I'm just like perfect and I'm just like at peace with everything. Like, no, when your pants don't fit, like it's annoying. But I'm gonna go in with my Fenty #1 eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take this brown shade. You can tell I've used all of it. This is the only shade I use. Well, no, I used some of the shimmery. I'm just using this brown shade, and I'm just gonna like make like a little line on top of my lash line. And then I'm gonna take that same brown shade and put it right here on the waterline. Like I said before, I'm just excited to like wear like brightly colored outfits. Like this spring, I'm gonna wear colors that I've never worn before. Like this is the first pink shirt I've ever had. And I'm like, I've lived my whole life and not had any pink shirts because I've just worn black and gray. Like that's, no, no, no more of that. So I'm just excited to like pop off in the springtime. I'm gonna be so cute. And the summertime is just where I'm at. I'm using the Sky High mascara. But what are some things you guys are excited for? What are you excited for in the springtime? What are you guys excited for the summertime? Are you guys going on vacations? Are you guys going on trips? Are you guys doing a staycation? Like, what's the vibe with you guys? But yeah, I'm just excited for warm weather, and I I don't know, I'm really excited for this year. I'm just so excited for this year. Like, that's how I feel right now. Like, I'm just really excited. I'm excited to see where my channel is gonna go. I'm excited for the community on my channel that I already have. I'm just an excited girl, and like, for me, it's a very tender moment that I'm excited, because it's been a while since I've been excited about life in general. It has been. Like, last winter was, last winter was not kind to me. I'm excited to just be happy. Because sometimes happiness, that might be fleeting. You don't ever know when you gonna be happy again sometime. Benefit Professional Super Setter Setting Spray. The end of my little chatty get ready with me video. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me and sitting down and just having a chat. I love chatting. I'm a chatterbox. I can talk for hours and years and days and months and for a long time. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. I make new videos every single week, and I'll see you guys in my next one.